Aston Martin strategy for binary options.
The blue candle shows the direction. If the second candle opens with the same color, a trading signal is generated.
This video demonstrates an example of trade entry using our strategy. The system cannot be used exactly as shown here because it requires specific indicators that color what look like candles but are actually directional signals. By registering with our broker, you can request the full indicator, as explained in the description. The Aston Martin strategy has delivered excellent results in trading tournaments, including the Aston Martin competition, where we achieved first place among more than 3,000 traders. The trend lines you see are automatically drawn by the indicator installed on MT4 4. A trigger oscillator confirms the crossover. In this example, the time frame is M5, with an expiry of 6 candles, equal to 30 minutes. Even though the candle color provides the entry signal, the trade is executed only after the trendline breakout. You can easily access the strategy by registering through our link. If you are already registered with the broker, you can create a new registration following the instructions below.